Hey there, I'm Pat from Workzilla. In this demo, I'll be walking through the targets feature, specifically targets tied to the hourly charge-out rate of a user, and how the targets automatically adjust to account for employment status and public holidays. So if we navigate to the Manage Target screen and add a new target, and set the target to be based on personal performance, that being the personal timesheet data for a user, you will see on the Calculated As dropdown, there is an option for the target to be calculated as target hours by hourly charge-out rate. This option will calculate the target by multiplying the value entered in the target daily hours field by the hourly charge-out rate of a user. The target applies to any user selected under the staff selection. You also have the option to select the target frequency, target type, and starting month. For this demo, I'll be setting a target of 6 hours per day. As you can see down the bottom, a target schedule is generated in real time, so you can preview the target values before saving them. It accounts for each user's employment status, any public holidays, and shows the target value alongside how many working days they have on each month within the selected financial year. But how do we set a user's hourly charge-out rate and employment status? If we navigate to the Manage Users panel, we can see the hourly charge-out rate column of the users table. When the hourly charge-out rate value is empty, simply click and enter their charge-out rate. Once the value for a user is set, you can click on it and it will open a charge-out rate history modal. From here, you can set a new charge-out rate and its starting date without altering charge-out rate history or disrupting historical target data. When you update a user's hourly charge-out rate, the system will automatically apply the new rate to all applicable targets from the selected start date onward. So there's no need to create a new target when updating charge-out rates. To set the employment status of a user, we can click on their name in the Manage Users table and then on Current Employment Status. From here you can set the employment status of a user to full-time or part-time and set their workdays. If the employment status of an employee is changing in the future, you can create a new employment status, set the starting date and click Add. In Workzilla's targets, public holidays are automatically accounted for and are determined by the user's location, specifically their city, which is pulled from their action step profile. For viewing targets from a management perspective, click on the Targets tab underneath the Management section. From here you can select a staff member and view all targets that apply to that person. For viewing personal targets, click the My Performance panel under the Standard section and then click Targets. As you can see, our demo target of 6 hours per day multiplied by the hourly charge-out rate in monthly billable fees has been successfully set up, and Workzilla is actively showing user data in real time against those targets.